So finally made it to the lounge, Terminal 3. Check-in was smooth. It's early. We're tired. We have a few drinks to kick off this whole trip. Viva Colombia! Wait. Arriba. Abajo. Ascenso. Adentro. Let's go. Buen día. Gracias. Sí, gracias. Te quedas luego. Chao.
Down, we use the compartment for your safety. Do not rush to open the overhead compartment until the windows come to have completely stopped, the signal sign has been turned off, and your row has been called.
Baby, have you finished packing?
Close to it.
So you made it. We are together again. Oh. Couples only. The Milu jam is complete. Previously, it was just Milu and jam. Now we are. Ooh.
¿Para qué los utilizaría? ¿Para qué les sirve en este momento? Ay, Dios mío, la verdad.
¿Pudieron hacer el check-in?
Sí, el check-in ya lo hicimos, pero es para registrar el equipaje. Pero no es...
Mi hija, sí, pues para mi emprendimiento. Y acá, en este momento, se gana 4. Es lo primero que va a parar.
Your friends are doing it.
They're in the desk?
Yeah.
Give me 1 second.
Baby, go get it. So, Milu is on the standby ticket, so she's going to make sure to see if the plane is full, if she can get a jump seat. So we got to see no jump seat,
Normal
normal,
seat,
couples only seat, Milu jump seats.
And it's close to yours, so we can change with the person next to me.
Perfect.
Couples only.
Santa Marta.
Here we go.
We need a Santa Marta dance. Baby.
We'll get it.
Okay. Okay, vámonos. Let's go. Okay.
Una luz de localización se activará al contacto con el agua. Sustraer los chalecos del avión es un delito penalizado por las autoridades. En el bolsillo frente a usted encontrará una tarjeta con información de seguridad. Le recomendamos leerla antes de irse.
That with a bus. Gracias. Hey, Minka. Come and go talk to them. There's buses over there. Okay. So, got out of the airport, got some money. Now we are on the bus to the market.
In the city?
The centre. See?
Yeah.
Of Minca.
Santa Marta.
Santa Marta. Because from there we will go to Minca.
We will get the bus.
We will, yeah. Or maybe a car.
Taxi. We will see how crazy it is.
How much is the bus? This one?
This one is 2,000.
2,000 pesos.
2,000 Colombian pesos. Less than $1.
Where it's literally just outside the airport.
Just in front.
I guess it's just a case of asking the bus where you go.
You just stop with the driver.
It's empty, it's nice. But what's the time, alright?
5 to 2?
5 to 2, midday. It's feasible, it's nice to see over there. We thought we were going to land in the sea.
Didn't happen.
Didn't happen. I'll show you about.
Hay uno más arriba, MInca. Hasta Elemento antes era un hotel.
Sí, no, yo una vez me quedé en eso, pero eso lo...
Te recomiendo.
Think this is what is good?
Maybe mashed potato. They're all the same food. Rice, potato, and french fries. It's all the same food.
No. Rice is rice, potato.
You can't eat, you gotta eat rice and chips.
Here you eat fried chips and pasta. Okay.
That's the same food.
No. Okay, it's in the same.
It's the same food. Family.
Yeah, bueno, take salad.
Hello. Oh, look, he just jumped up. That's cool.
Beautiful.
Hey, look at this.
That's good.
Looking for food. We've got no food.
Open. Oh, obviously open.
Just having dinner with peacocks. Try. Salud. It's hot. Salud. Try. It's good.
Muy good.
Very good.
The cheese is so good.
Oh my god. Should we just order like a load of these? What is it, baby? Queso.
Plantain with chicken and cheese.
¿Y español?
Plátano
Sí.
con pollo y queso.
Exactamente. like shandy.
Like what?
Shandy. Ok, dime. ¿Qué es eso?
Ensalada,
Sí.
pollo,
¿Solo,
napolitano,
solo pollo?
napolitano,
¿Qué es napolitano?
tomate, queso, cosas,
Sí, sí.
french
Está bien,
fries,
sí.
o chips, o papas a la francesa.
¿Para mí?
Arroz,
Sí.
papa criolla y pollo.
So chicken, rice and potatoes.
Y we're mixed with it.
¿Qué es?
Colombian, no, águila y cuatro. Oh no, the girls.
Saturday.
So nice.
Okay, I'm starving.